We were founded as a Christian nation. Just look at the original writings for indisputable proof. But would the Founding Fathers recognize what has been done to their country in the last 50 years? Listen to these insightful quotes from some of our former presidents. They didn't pander to political correctness or try and keep religion out of the government. They boldly proclaimed and included Christianity and the Bible in the government. Herbert Hoover. American life is built and can alone survive upon the fundamental philosophy announced by the Savior 19 centuries ago. FDR stated, "If we will not prepare to give all that we have and all that we are to preserve Christian civilization in our land, we shall go to destruction." The Bible has been instrumental in guiding our founding and our leaders, and we need to get the Bible back into our government. And that's not just my opinion. Hoover and Roosevelt both agree. Thanks for joining us on We the People, and please pray for our country.